Jahyadi D 2002 et al. Referensi Jahyadi D, Rocky B, Dominic W, Tejada Prawira K et al. 2002 The Impact of COVID-19 on Infertility Control in Indonesia, Analysis of Medication and Sugary pp. 103/762 I Beaver Report https://2 lagi POI ORG @1016 J Hamsyu 2022.103762 Number 2 Climate shock content human fertility in Indonesia, sharpen crash in inventory fertility will discount because the patent state positive for COVID-19 during the EVA program. 6 of your 17 medical staff also tested positive for COVID-19 and are at home in severe quarantine. The cancellation of the EFF program was secured by the lack of data regarding the safety of IPV producer in COVID-19 parties. Our priority is to report the learning how to practice at our cancer and well as the medical staff. Referensi Jahyadi D 2002 Climate shock content home fertility in Indonesian world development pp. 34739 https://doi.org/1016 Jill Waldorf 2019 02-003 Number 3 Fertility and the Health Children in Indonesia. The Indonesian Family Life Survey analyzes the Hackford children aged 2 to 9 years with a focus in the impact of the number and split in the family. This effect is stronger in families with mothers with low education and of course in urban and rural areas. J. Timothy, 2019 referensi J. Timothy, Hutton, Parrow, Surya Dharma, D, et al. 2018 Fertility and the Health of Children in Indonesia Economics and Human Biologi BP 6778 https://doi.org/10 1016-J-PHD-2017-12.0002 number 450 years of social security research in Indonesia. Shifting topic models for share and grade blanche. In Indonesia, development policy and security in function to primarily as part of food security, pelatihan autonomy, expansion, and resettlement programs for health, water, energy, employment, supporting, and climate change. Ginger Blanche has been geared for the last 2 decades with I melt to flame origin of Nelly plant precipitation remains known only from previous survey. I understand I ability on treat so purpose student as scores to make for international population on Indonesia will have shifted to his part of the sustainable development agenda and domestic drivers of following the train Khairiyah K 2002 referensi Khairiyah F Rahayu Utami S et al 2002 150 years of social security research in Indonesia 15 topic models of research and gender blind social security 100 sampai 049 https://doi.org/1016-SOI/SEC/2022-1049. Number 5, the insert role of Indonesian women in solutions for and future challenge. The purpose of the study is profit and overview of the issue of grand equality in Indonesia, so instance or that also the framing sort have for opposition to LNI soil questions resolves most papers and grand equal so for growing proportion the for supporting Indonesian women's sessions I more grand goal is to Clarence soil sequence accreditation. Each research opportunities and manage agriculture to support economic growth. Referensi Viantis.D Rahayu Utami .S, Siswati.A, et al. 2002. The Ensuring Role of Indonesian Women in South Skills, Short and Future Channels, Social Security PP 100.050 dalam tutup kurung https://doi.org/1016-J Soish 2002 100050 membership on us and management work on Pensau in Sumatera, Indonesia. Or Richard R. Ismonis again record in West Sumatra, Indonesia, where local friends instantly cultivate vegetables, facing camel fertilities and hit Armstrong of agricultural terminal at first effective because Enclavia Pool are sustained through the format of Hume's aluminum complex the head on silk and salt to alanic angles Ashida .K 2020 referensi AB Susumu S Ashida K, Maulana I Kamil, Keisuke Tobisaka et al. 2020 Land Use and Management Reflection on volcanic soil in West Sumatra, Indonesia. Berdrama Regional PP E00308 https://doi.org/1016-J Orders 2020 E00308. Number 7, effective optimal seminal plasma protein in egg yolk, Itren, Alexander and Kacang, book Summer Fertility. The genetic process of the original Indonesia parallel was the present artificial insemination in addition to rural population growth with genetic roles. Post-liquid semen were analyzed for viability, motility in the plasma membrane, molecular lindel content, and DNA fragment The group sought in survival protein to make new egg yolk thicker and kitten give the equality and fertility of first liquid reclaimment Susilowati S. 2020 referensi Susilowati S, Norma Trina I Sarjito T, et al. 2020 Effect of Mental Bone Plasma Protein in Egg Yolk Kit Expander on kacang Buxman Fertility Biologi pp 20/27 https://doi.org/1016/16 J Triobilio 2020.10.013 Offering contest number 8 offering contest is fertility version in economics IF report case presentation next to presentation with this norm and but new where evaluation of for anti-malware hormone level and normal hepatitis usual of the ovarian context towed the where compressed counseling for by basement of ovarian research disease programs and disease reproduces of the in the completion of a fertility version mode, we thought the his fertility is the most sustainable for control variant control Kamal Hafiz A 2020 referensi Kamal Hafiz A, pertama G, Madarti M, et al. 2021 ovarian conferencing AS IML of fertility version in English ancient report analysis of Medin and Sugary PP 103 step 222 https://doi.org/1016/J Ansul 2021 Number 8 The effect of climate education on fertility even from China campus schooling from the is unique the event in many countries where women complain of the loss of pregnant breast in old age. Looking at the vaginal channels underneath the rational shift, ensuring women education was totally or to provide an education regulation for the shape the claim in China total fertility rate Chen titik G, 22 referensi Chen titik G Jiang Yin Gou 2002 The effect of plant education on fertility happens from China compulsory calling from Economists for Education Review pp 102 257 https://2 doi.org/10.1016 Ecklandorff 2002 10-2257. Number 10 Reconstruction of Research Education, the role of induced disintegration of railing in Indonesian elementary school using data from the 2010 census. Looking at the potential claims underlying as rejection in race women education lowers infertility delivery entry of women into the marriage and fertility market, increased fertile opportunity, contrast and Agersphere can see its economic variant or study for an education employment for clinic in China, total fertility rate. Jiang titik G, 2002 referensi Eka Sumirta titik P, Bagus Putu Rahyana titik I, Wayan Sustara, et al. 2022 Reconstruction of Gester Education titik 2 The role of indication dissemination for in Indonesia elementary school International Journal of District Education pp 102 strip 873 874 https://doi.org/10-10-16 10-2022 Number 11 just about representative when democracy influence and their compatriot Indonesia government public relation to management levels. His paper explores the cause effective of women education on fertility of time in implementing compulsory education from in China You can see its Congress Magic or study for an additional explanation for the threat declining in China. Total fertility rate Chen.J, 2022. Referensi ke Krianto R, Rahmat Ida Tower Iqbal Tawakal G 2022 Reviews about representative when they commit net flames and her complicity to run Indonesia government public relation to management level Helion PPE 08/7/14 https://doi.org/doi/10.10/16 di Holion 2022 08714 number 12. The impact of COVID-19 mitigation measure of measure on fertility clinics and clinics around the world, taking advantage of regional food differences is in until the appendix in May cruises for women competition for the loss of 10 bits in old age. Referensi shooting eye cap TTS Fallenhound B, et al. 2021. The impact of COVID-19 mitigation on fertility and clinic reproduction Biomagic Online PP 755/763 https://10.10.10.G/2021/12.016. Number 13 is based and NAV based for nitrogen soil mapping in land Indonesia. Looking at 40 challenges under the reception inter-woman education level in fertility, the list entry of women into magic and fertility market. Referensi Yuda A, Susilianto D, Funandi .1, 2021 is based and Harvard base for nitrogen soil mapping in LIDE. Indonesia Essensing and Using Reference Research PP 100-435 https://doi.org/10.10/16 1016, JSBSR 2021 100435. Selanjutnya number 14, environmentally mental approaching technology and the light of research and like solar power could in rural Indonesia. Take the cost of solar power could in East Indonesia. The study was engineering, design, and physiology modeling in conjunction with cultural funding for educational leasing and environmental leasing to domestic the profit dedication and market deals so how the technology and promote the local and constituting process on diesel sustainable, affordable, technically, verbally, and environmentally totally inclusive as a rural economy, change and technology environment for demand contest the legislation and knowledge referensi this PPM Sinapar 2002 environmentally appropriate technology under lack of solar and knowledge solar provider in ruralnya Indonesia TP 100-494 cleaner engineer and teknologi https://doi.org/1016-j Klein 2002.100.494. Number 15, social engagement and the elderly in rural Indonesia. Rural access in Indonesia relatively older than urban areas. Participation in income getting effective, competitive, active, and crowd work. As gallery and stored in stream and or urban context, the con operating effective aging secondary to the profession of health care and management of disability in old age in the aging rural community. Utomo A, 2019 referensi Utomo A Kodonal T, Utomo I et al. 2018 social and Management and the Elderly in Rural Indonesia PP 22/31 Social Access dan Medikan https://gcmate.org/10-10-10-10-10-05.009. Climate change mitigation. Number 16. Climate change mitigation on tropical peatlands. Triple brood for smallholder farms in Indonesia. All three ways of school engagement are participation in economic getting activities, community activities, and care work, auxiliary instead inwards, and or counted the con from promoting effective aging in school to the prevention of healthcare management of stability in all his agar rural community. Referensi Martin.J, Stargard, Niels, J, Rosiani, Faust.H, 2021, Climate Change Mitigation on Tropical Peatlands. 2. Triple brood for smallholders farms in Indonesia. PP 102-388 Global Environmental Change, https://doi.org/10-1016.g Launchpage 2021 10-02-388. Number 17, crossing in through the fields of March in rural Indonesian based on how brief model to treat the study aims to investigate the relationship between private vulnerability data was con using a questionnaire private security, private usline, so effects and difficult calls case in mother's decision to cross conservation. The study recommended for research on cross-culture approach to learning to follow up on the result of the study. Auliana Stuti A 2020 referensi Auliana Stuti.A, Radin.R, Ratnasari .D, et al. 2020 Crossing Instituting Defense of March in Rural Indonesia based of Health Bill modal teori, PPS 343 S 347 Evermelia Cleansa https://org/101016 J Appling 2020.120838 number 18. The purpose. The study recommended is short family plan program policy market in real educate in-school program implementation and the ideal member of plan family plan aspiration of which is by promoting the use of media entity Indrati, XL 2020 referensi Indrati Megiono A, Malongi A, Tamar M, XL 2020 Determinant of Community Family in Indonesia PMA 2015, PP 379384 Evermelia Klinik https://2.2/IOI/ORG 10.1016 JNPLIT 2019.10.104 number 19 Pooling Habitat Utility for Manager Cross System in Coastal Anggrek District Indonesia. Itu referensi dari Ratna Barglidrum Barudinaningrum titik P, Kusman Kusumastanto titik T, Adirianto titik L XL 2021. Selanjutnya number 20 how can mating system inform tour building strategy and illusion of two Indonesian youth Banteng and Low Land Anau because Banten production ejaculation is similar to domestic client. Referensi dari D.J. Gillis, F. William, Yon, L, J. Watt, Rudy Holly, XL 2022. How can mating system inform to build banking strategies? Number 21 women employment is decision-making for unmet need for conservation in Indonesia. Background the issue of grand inequality in reproductive health plays a role in determining the use of contraceptive on some women. Referensi Amraini titik Y, Kamso titik S, B Sabarina titik Prasetyo, et al. 2020, Women Employment Indexing Map for Women. 21. Growth and probability of small girls and tech fertility in the petty desert Indonesia. A more thing is the lack of empirical data on the growth format of flooding plains in Indonesia. Referensi dari Alt.Hook Sweat, H. Digby Reis, Rohadi D, D M. Kesmadi et al. 2021. 22. One house to light decrease of profession to split Maggie Amor, others children and others in Indonesia. He saw the with its group social norms, the support clip maybe are staying strong economy on the benefit of managing in therefore requires and competitive intervention should on the local culture background. I reflect of its effectivition. Rianto Wibowo H, et al. 2021. Referensi Rianto Wibowo H, Ratnaningsih M, J Goodwin M, et al. 2021. Number 23, sustainable and preparation for friend managed wildlife agriculture in Indonesia. The Indonesia government has expressed a strong commitment to combating its epidemic. His study concludes the eye system effort innate to control breed effectively. Referensi M. Sofiuddin, S. Suyanto, Kadir, S, Sonya, D, et al. 2021. Number 24, the biology stand of living in Indonesia during the 20 country evidence from the his article analyzes the long-term change in the make. We conclude the three represent relative living standards in relation to claim and editing. The first referensi dari Pander Ein .p, Son, K, et al. 2019. Number 25, exploring high school pluriappear in Eastern Indonesia. What are mean to tourists? We believe the social gallery exploration is the only way to fully illustrate mineral records and design effective efficient and effective strategies for the benefit of the region and local stockholders. Reference Emeritus, Elizabeth Munch, Iti Ketian Robinson, et al. 2020. Number 26. The Oz anti-material plants as treatment in Papua Island, Indonesia. Referensi Widyarti M. Maruzi A. Mujahid R. Els al 2020. The OS anti-material plants as traditional treatment in Papua Island, Indonesia. Oil palm granting house. I make health study from West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Compared to small world, this world do need completely oil palm. It is on the smallest participation in oil palm program in assistant with this grand temperament of productivity work by both men and women. Referensi what the Portland D. Zenello titik G, Wilio titik at that's all 2021. Number 29. The friendly management of the Populous community because on local wisdom economics in Kalimantan, Indonesia. Referensi Burhani S, Ahmadi et al. 2021. Rationalship between water and sanitation and mental health evidence from Indonesia. Referensi Cameron L. Chris titik C. Contraswars D. et al. 2021. Number 30. ICA study family health disease assessment in 3 fatwa smell industry in Bogor, Indonesia years 2019. Referensi Mariadi Safira titik Y Ejmaya Anggrawati Putri titik A et al. 2021. A case study family healthy physic assessment for Small Industry in Bogor, Indonesia, yes, 2019. Number 23, deposit and infant mortality evidence from Indonesia. Its analysis also fix referensi Jakarta 2021. Number 24, substitution temporal distribution of complete contraction cipher temper and reducing modestly in majority of the seksi Indonesia. Referensi dari Rudolf Maskanavola, M, Jumsar, Wirastria, A, 2021. Number 25, develop also permeability was Iowa Scott near score motor of precision fertilization in Indonesia. Referensi Anggiria L, Fatma Siregar, A, Hartati, W, Sulaiman, Y, 2020. 2026, the effective management practice on carbon stock of oil palm plus in Sumatera, Indonesia. Referensi Rahman N, E, Giller, K, D, Nergret, A, Negit, G, et al. 2021. Number 37, alignment conflict ratio treatment swing among factinious Indonesian. Referensi E, L, Damanik, Y, Endonan, 2021. Number 28, Professor Bicep Industrial Policy in Area of Global Production Not Strategy Apple in Indonesian Cocoa. The structure referensi Neilation, IJ, Duertama, A, Vot, N, et al. 2020. 29, implementation of the Spiritual Climate Information Package for improving as oil washing in Indonesian cities. Referensi Indrajit, A, Van Leeuwen, B, Eresta Jaya, F, et al. 2021. Number 40, well to put community-based forestry counseling content and livelihood in Lampung, Indonesia. The study fortified to determine the economic benefit of cabbage. Referensi Putra Ditama, A, K, Yongsu, Barrel, H, et al. 2021. 41, upstream effort community benefits of implementing programs listed in the environmental impact statement. I study of Nickel Mer, Steril Mill, Indonesia. Referensi Rahmat Kurniawan A, Muriyama T, Nishikiyawati S et al. 2020. 42 Analysis of channel cons and bursts alternative for pipeline restoration in Control Kalimantan, Indonesia. Referensi Puspitaloka D, K, Nelson, Purnomo H et al. 2021. 43 The evolution of a community forestry through the growth of interlinked community instituted in Java, Indonesia. Referensi Kurniasi H, M R Ford, J R Kenan, et al. 2021. Number 44. The social capital matter in climate change adaptation isolation from agricultural store in Jogja, Indonesia. Itu referensi Septutiningsi, Diswanti D, Jaung W, et al. 2021. 45 integrate system of animal health subject in the Oriental region with emphasis on France in Thailand and Sulawesi, Indonesia. Referensi Wilai P, Sudirman Made Ali R, Saingamosok J 2020. 46 History and interpretation of early soil and origin matter investigation in Delhi, Sumatra, Indonesia. Referensi Minasmi B, Akwet E, Sabrina T et al. 2020. 47 The Gunung Palung Orangutan Project 25 years at the intersection of share and conservation in critical landscape Indonesia. Referensi Cheryl Knot, Elvin Kani, Ahmad M, et al. 2021. 48 Association between channels in which circumference and stability amongst adults. How independent study on global aging and dual health in Indonesia. There is no for impact of or stability in low and middle countries. Referensi utami Puji Lestari _J Nyaston _L, Norberg _M, that's all 2019. 49 Forest Teacher and Agricultural Productivity Evidence from Indonesia. Referensi Yamamoto _Y, Sekitomi _Y, Ishimura _Y, 2019. Number 50. And us encountering the preparing vegetation in Galela, like not Maluku, Indonesia. Referensi Ratnanisih Robowati _T, Jumari _J, Rini Suraswati _T, 2019. Ini satu buku.